Usually you have exhibitions that are just architecture or just product design, but this shows you how a lot of different disciplines can confront the one idea.
It's a design thinking process that simply acknowledges that if we want sustainability to have any long-term value, it must have tangible benefits for society. Responsible design is intended to create positive change.
Social responsible design is a way forward.
And it covers all areas of creativity.
It's something we need to do, it's a paradigm shift.
Architecture through engineering and planning, fashion, and all design, because they have the best capacity to make positive change interventions. It's an independent and selective harvest of the best ideas from the tertiary institutions to serve the dual purpose of promoting positive change by design and to encourage more.
What we focused in our project was how to make people get together in a residential area and how architecture can make them to work together towards sustainability.
Sydney is growing and we are creating more and more suburbs, and it has turned into a very unsustainable suburbia. I guess to be exhibited, it's a really good way to promote how we can change.
I think it's important that people can go and see these changing products and ideas. So basically, Defence Aid is a handheld device. I designed it for natural disaster situations for women. The handheld device works with kinetic energy and it calls for help, so it's a really loud shrieking noise. It's, I think, the sound of a jet plane.
Well, participation is paramount, and we encourage them to contribute as much as possible to the whole process. So that's from creating the graphics, through the marketing, the production, right through to the exhibition. And so they work as a collaborative, cross-disciplinary team to pull the whole project together and get the most value from it.
Sensorial Aspirations is based on the use of natural fibre, namely wool and alpaca fleece. Sustainability and reusing and responsible design it's a really pressing issue at the moment.
Sustainability is not just a material application. Sustainability is an attitude. Like, I came up with the idea of doing this Urban Generation Centre, and it wasn't something that you normally see. It sort of had all these different uses, and the whole idea of it being sort of parasitic, it means it could adapt and grow.
There are so many issues in the world that we can see that with positive application we can design solutions.
So our project, Clever Thinking, an educational resource, is a pack of flashcards designed to help primary teachers to introduce design thinking.
Especially at that age, kids have very creative minds, and it's up to the teachers to tap into that creative mind and really make most of it. To create change, we need to change people's understanding and thinking, and that's achieved through education.
Well, our project is a redevelopment of a existing slum located not far from Mumbai.
It's the second largest slum in the world.
What motivates us is actually not just the city itself, but also the people.
Looking at the community and how the social relation between all these people would work together.
Addressing inequality is a part of good design.
Quite often agricultural economies lose their seed stock to natural disasters. It's a device that generates nitrogen for the preservation of seed stocks in developing countries.
SRD sort of tries to challenge our preconceptions of what design should be, which marries very closely to what I was trying to do. I was trying to challenge our preconceptions of what actually a building can be, when my idea was what more can the building offer to us.
This project has so much potential to grow and to snowball. Everyday people, to scientists, can actually appreciate the design thinking and the solutions that these talented designers come up with, and they're just waiting for more encouragement to continue this process, and it's a process that is really the design challenge of our time.